Yo, here we are, and we're going to be doing the Coleman Hampton 9 setup, unboxing, the whole meal deal. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so it says here on the inside, has instructions, layout and positioning of tent. So we're gonna have to lay out our main tent, and then we're gonna stake it in later. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna position the poles and connect the leg poles. Yep, so it should be all color coded. And there should be a whole bunch of pole connectors, a bunch of plastic pole connectors lying around here that we gotta pull out. See that? It is summer here in Calgary, or not anymore in Calgary. Where are we? Pincher Creek area?
Pincher Creek area,
yeah. Just so that's the roof elevated. We're just gonna get this thing off the ground. Here we go. And then, careful here, this goes to here, and we have it inside out, I think, don't we? Are these supposed to be on the outside? Oh no, they're right. Yeah, no, this is correct. And then you just bring it over.
Yeah, I see those little Velcro things.
No, you hook.
Huh?
Velcro. Oh, is it tied to the pole, you're saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
But also, what were you saying?
And you hook the hook on the bottom loop. sides?
Other than the divider wall, yeah.
Okay, let's just go to the front here, Ivan. Okay, that's it. I think that's it, that's all. So, this is the this is the Hampton 9 tent. And that's the full setup. Okay, come on in. Follow Izzy in. There's an internal wall that fits in here. Should we put it in?
Yeah, I guess.
Might as well. We're here.
Okay. And it's got a little zipper here for convenience.
Welcome to room 2. And I guess it would strap down the base as well. Cool. That's it, that's all.
Hey! This is great. So are we all going to sleep in one area and then put stuff in the other?
I don't know. I don't know.
Actually, sure. I think there's lots of space for like...
We'll make those decisions later. This has been the Hampton 9 by Coleman.